Gorgeous modern farmhouse kitchens. There are no hard set rules for modern farmhouse colors. However, a winning palette seen in many spaces combines white, black, and natural wood tones. For instance, this dreamy kitchen built by Gardner Homes features white quartz countertops, black shaker cabinets, and an island wrapped in walnut wood. Simple shaker cabinets, white subway tile, and, of course, hand-hewed barn beams give this kitchen remodeled by Bauscher Construction an approachable look. Treating the mint green island to a distressed faux finish adds to this kitchen's relaxed yet stylish vibe. Don't be afraid to mix metals in the kitchen. This stylish cooking space by the Style Nest blog does just that, and it looks great. This chic farmhouse-inspired kitchen by Blake's London throws matchy-matchy decorating ideas out of the window. The cooking space features contemporary two-tone cabinetry and mismatched dining chairs. Rich wood accents like the X-braces, open shelving, and range hood warm up this white kitchen designed by Sita Montgomery Interiors. Bold pendant lighting is a stylish necessity in a farmhouse-inspired kitchen. The fixtures in this cooking space designed by House of Jade Interiors bring beauty and function to the table. When it comes to enduring style, white kitchens win. This modern farmhouse example by 1111 Light Lane was created on a tight budget using IKEA cabinets. This kitchen by Plus Rooms puts an urban twist on the contemporary farmhouse look by combining reclaimed parquet flooring, upcycled wood boards, and copper pipework. The result is a one-of-a-kind cooking space that's thoroughly modern. Pinterest inspired the design for this kitchen remodeled by Jen Holmes. The first detail purchased was the freestanding kitchen island. Another key ingredient for achieving the modern farmhouse look is the ceramic apron front kitchen. The vintage hardware for the brand new cabinets came from eBay. Check out the pantry door, which was purchased at a salvage auction for only $80. For those who crave a cheerful jolt of color in their kitchen, there's no better shade than lemon yellow. This farmhouse-inspired cooking space by Allie's Designs combines colorful cabinetry with shiplap walls. This beautiful cooking space by Jennifer Bunsa Design Studio is a gorgeous mashup of vintage and contemporary pieces including rustic furniture, modern cabinetry, and patterned tiles. Any do-it-yourselfer can give their kitchen some modern farmhouse flavor. This rustic cooking space by Old Salt Farm features DIY barn doors and homemade benches. Copper accents are having a big moment because the metal works with a broad range of decor styles. In this cooking space by Blake's London, the industrial-inspired copper lamps add a little shine and warmth to the room. This charming kitchen by Obelisk Home is full of retro style. Black cabinetry flatters the white subway tile. Rustic wood shelves provide extra storage space. Red metal counter stools add some colorful spice. Somewhere in Los Angeles, you'll find this colorful modern farmhouse designed by Allison Candler Interior Design. The home's transitional kitchen features a rustic kitchen island with a distressed faux finish, vintage pantry door painted yellow, and two gorgeous glass globe pendants lights. Transform your boring white kitchen on the cheap by adding rustic texture. The distressed brick backsplash in this farmhouse kitchen by Blesser House is, in fact, vinyl wallpaper. The eating counter was countrified using peel and stick wood planks. Notice the industrial-inspired pendants lights? They cost less than $10 to make. Here's a stunning modern farmhouse kitchen by Studio McGee. Authentic barn beams bring the country while conical drum pendant lights add an urban edge. Fans of Scandi decor will appreciate this crisp, white kitchen by House 7 that puts a Nordic twist on farmhouse style. If you're looking to create a farmhouse-inspired kitchen that doesn't feel overly countrified, behold this lovely cooking space by Studio McGee. The main ingredients for this stylish recipe are simple cabinetry in a standout shade, show-stopping floor tiles, and stylish task lighting. Who Who doesn't worship ideas that conceal ugly? Corrugated metal panels hide the popcorn ceiling in this farmhouse-styled kitchen remodeled by 2D Trowie. Beadboard is another traditional material found in farmhouse-inspired homes. In this kitchen updated by Red Cottage Chronicles, beadboard paneling refreshed the old cabinets. This lovely modern farmhouse kitchen by Heidi Kalier mixes metals, textures, and colors to create a sophisticated space that's very approachable. From the ample counter space to luxurious appliances, there's plenty to love in this contemporary kitchen by Kaminsky Construction. Look at the multi-pane glass windows that add an extra dash of farmhouse charm. There's so much to love in this kitchen by Ali's Designs that we have to share it in 2 different photos. This glimpse shows off the wood-wrapped range hood. It's possible to pack a lot of farmhouse style into a small kitchen. For instance, in this cooking space designed by Nicola O'Mara combines beautiful shaker cabinetry with luxurious marble countertops. Butcher block countertops, white subway tile, and a kitchen island covered with reclaimed wood all bring farmhouse style to this urban loft by All and NXHING. Shiplap, black cabinets, and butcher block countertops are the winning combination in this simple farmhouse-inspired kitchen featured on Maison de Pax. Don't let your ugly kitchen ceiling cramp your farmhouse style. A quick fix is beadboard wallpaper as shown in this space by Rooms for Rent. The shiplap and brick in this kitchen by Nicole Dingle came with the house. To freshen things up, she painted it all white. Afterward, she added wood shelves and installed custom cabinets. Here's a modern farmhouse kitchen by Holly Mathis Interiors that proves you don't have to blow your retirement account to install new flooring. Instead of going with hardwood, the designer chose affordable, commercial-grade vinyl tile. As mentioned earlier, one of the hallmarks of a modern farmhouse style is a ceramic apron front sink. This white cooking space by Christina Maria mixes things up with a copper version. If you practically live in your kitchen, consider spicing up your walls with art. This farmhouse-inspired kitchen by the White Buffalo Styling Company turns a range hood into a focal point with a rustic painting. Skirted cabinets are a country kitchen staple. This modern farmhouse kitchen by Crisp Architects puts a new spin on the idea by using fabric to cover the island's cutout panels. Add a little farmhouse style to your urban apartment. This cooking space by Sarah Richardson Design pairs a contemporary herringbone backsplash with a kitchen island covered with reclaimed wood. The second photo of this cute kitchen by Ali's Designs features a herringbone tile floor, vintage cabinetry, and open shelving made of reclaimed wood. Check out the mid-century apple sign that adds a pop of color. This picture-perfect residential kitchen by Crisp Architects blends farmhouse elements such as shiplap with commercial-grade appliances. Black subway tile gives this farmhouse-styled kitchen by Richardson Architects a contemporary edge. The brick backsplash in this contemporary farmhouse kitchen by Redhead Can Decorate gives the space some rustic flair. Wood cabinet panels and a white brick backsplash are the heart and soul of this farmhouse-inspired kitchen by Blake's London. Look at the long wood shelves that create extra storage space. Warm up bright white cabinets with a rustic finish. After giving the cabinetry a fresh coat of paint in this farmhouse-inspired kitchen remodeled by the Ragged Wren, the surfaces were given a warm distressed look using a glaze. If you want to dress up your ceiling but wood beams are out of the question, consider tin tiles. While the ones in this kitchen updated by Brandy Sawyer are an original home feature, you can find similar tiles made of metal or vinyl at many home improvement stores. The next biggest flooring trend, as seen in this farmhouse-inspired kitchen by Holly Mathis Interiors, just may be terracotta floor tiles. When it comes to decorating, don't be afraid to mix things up. This small apartment kitchen B3 Lights design combines Moroccan-inspired decor with a modern farmhouse style. We're smitten with this Scandi-inspired cooking space by Heidi Kalier. The room features items found in many farmhouses-inspired kitchens including shaker cabinets, industrial-inspired task lighting, and of course, wood flooring. When it comes to modern farmhouse style, period-inspired lighting is a must-have. This gorgeous kitchen by Holly Mathis Interiors features 3 different examples. This modern farmhouse kitchen by Home Made Lovely keeps function top of mind with separate zones created for different purposes. For instance, the food prep area features a spice rack and crate filled with cooking utensils. There's also a coffee station with everything needed to get brewing. Wood floors are a modern farmhouse staple. In homes with open floor plans like this one designed and built by AK Construction, continuous wood flooring that includes the kitchen improves visual flow. Another brilliant idea worth stealing from this house is the barn-inspired pantry door on the right. Shiplap adds a dash of rustic charm, not to mention interesting texture, to a modern farmhouse kitchen. In this cooking space designed by J. Robin Interiors, white shiplap covers both the ceiling and the wall over the upper cabinets. The island in this transitional kitchen designed by Taryn Emerson incorporates one of our favorite hallmarks of modern farmhouse style, X-brace supports. Here, the decorative accents help to carry the weight of the countertop. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.